Instantly respond to every customer inquiry on WhatsApp with automated replies powered by Twilio. First, ensure you have an active Twilio account and have successfully configured your WhatsApp Business API Sender through the Twilio console. Once logged into your Twilio console, navigate to the Programmable Messaging section from the left-hand menu. Within Programmable Messaging, select either WhatsApp senders or the specific messaging service associated with your WhatsApp number. Here, you'll find a field labeled "A message comes in" or Webhook URL. This is where Twilio will send incoming WhatsApp messages. Enter the URL of your server endpoint into this field. This endpoint is where your Autoreply logic resides. Make sure the method is set to HTTP post for receiving message data. When a WhatsApp message arrives, Twilio sends it to this URL. Your server then processes the message, determines the appropriate Autoreply based on your predefined logic, and instructs Twilio to send that reply back. To test your setup, send a message from your personal WhatsApp to your configured Twilio WhatsApp number. You should instantly receive your automated reply. And that's how you set up automated WhatsApp replies using Twilio, streamlining your business communication instantly.